into the last 16 of the MTN FA Cup. The defending champions, Kotoko Gusu, defended MTN FA Cup. No, we know say Kotoko qualify to the round of 16 after beating Kumasi-based Faisal at Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And Nebria Menoka say 7th of January 2026. Okay, last year, exactly a year ago, and the John Mama, President John Mama, is Siswa, obey Ghana president, so far or by, and now my phone become with the but a good year moon semian so, yet by any Kotoko, has, and Ghana Black Stars, and now the Asia, when game no Kotoko goal was scored by the player who has returned from injury, Saka Dauda, and a toe Atenano Emma Kotoko goal bar in the first half. Now go to cry a day na isi a buy. How was the build up? Ninano the Asia Eufia a Super 24 TV. The patch of water when I was subscribe here. Whatever man wa hit the red subscribe button also. Now about Romano so near build it together information there. Be brain wo we are see. Na enye sipe na wo se yedi mu nchire mu no ebro wa ha join the Kotoko reaction no 0247 107260 0247 107260 wo gidi se Kotoko betimi age MTN FA Cup na league no so MTN FA Cup de Kotoko de say ya 1-2 sa 1-2-1 1-2-1 Okono ehya with round of 64. Now round of 64 no Krobia Sante Kotoko eche ni nuanom nkuma a ewo kwamo Future Stars obeka isa game no emu yere pa but eventually Kotoko got the needed victory which Kotoko won 2-1 against Future Kwamo Stars in the round of 64 and net the course war Baba Yara Sports Stadium no na a round of 32. As you see, Kotoko area or round of 16. Round of 16, no, say no, I say a Cassifoni, you momo. Now may say monitor the other games are El Cosono. Team Bit is a mediama, the near Brepa, mediaman so appear in the round of 16. Or che, baby any go stars, a shell. Yes, 3-1. Me free whole body and I 3-1. But my name's insist and be babadia. Me free whole body na a 3-1. And then a choir Kotoko fa so she tima or the Ewini 1-0 no ena me de Asia Wahano. The player Kotoko signed from Nations FC. Prince Badu a taste of Kumasi Asante Kotoko football in Kumasi Asante Kotoko JC our Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Obamu second half from Obeyi Lord Hilary Adabo every game na before anything Mo Kamara and a dog go no for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now man for him say Obe tries the goalkeeper, other goalkeeper Aziz Aruna Dari, but hey, Coach Abdul Karim Zito ewo Gidio Mohammed Kamara bupa. It's Mohammed Kamara and start say now Musa Hamzat Abobi, Samba Onel and Subobi, Lord Hilary Adabo Ebobi, and Donzo start say Saka Dauda and obo Hubert Joe and obo Patrick Asiedu set Kwedu and obo Inusa and Lord Amwana a choir of us who share no by the mere mention in the ABI before the so now by positions no say the here Mohammed Kamara the him so that pool and a 2 and 3 no obo Lord Amwa 2 and obo player your friend no Patrick Asiedu 3 Patrick Asiedu the red card in the second half, but the whole details about bro. Now, a Kobasano and a 4 and 5 no. Dear a man for see a yeno or yenis. I was I don't know about Samba Unel and obo Zakaria Fuseni this time around, or my Zakaria Tanasi and obo Musa Hamzata, the long man. Olongo Springy Musa Hamzata and Samba Unel and the Ginemas 4 and 5 and obo just in front of them. Obo Hilary Adabo so na afi nimu hopano 81 obo Hubert Joe obo Hubert Joe na on the wings one Uyusu Inusa Adams and Uyusu Saka Dauda on the wings so they kwaye and obo set Kwedu and so mfimfini ho and Donzo a striker as part of the main team. So this was how we see RNG Kotoko team in the first half, and also quite fast so the starting game. In the course of the game, and Adabo Efrimu in the second half around 50th minute, and Adabo Efrimu Prince Badu a bit tasty the first Kubasa Santi Kotoko football. So the Kwame Puku and Subeyi Donzo Efrimu. Yes, and Johnson and so a Belmu in the later part of the game. Obeyi player a friend Inusa Adams Efrimu. So this is how Asante Kotoko it went down for them. They be say Kotoko be win. So we not first half winner Edin say obe lose game no. Inti yebe pon no referee be 2 minutes or 3 minutes to so ye bomu 47th minute. Ena Kotoko through Lord Amwa unya bobi won 10 no ano twetwe ye no ye cross no. Inti oye baaye no ena ebeto player ye frɛ no Saka Dauda ena Saka Dauda converted ball no into atena in the first half 47 minutes ena sa goal no ebae. Inti Kotoko first half no na okura 1 goal lead. Inti yeba second half no ena ebeye ding dong affairs. I say it wasn't a game it was so intense. It wasn't an intensive game. Now Mamenka will say just before the first half and Kimfesa player Salim Edi red card. So Kotoko dominated with 10 against 11 from Kimfesa side. No, Kimfesa about 10 against 11 kakra. Until second half, second half nana Kotoko player a friend Patrick Asiedu and so in your second yellow card. So the second yellow card no, what it meant was that he had to go off the pitch. Inti Emma balance by inti afi esabe 10-10. Your second half na be 2 minutes. Ena Patrick eko committee ya referee no Emma yellow card. No the second inti Emma game no very balanced. Afi now to musa ahoden no but watching the game you could see them Kotoko next game against Brekum Chelsea Barbara Sports Stadium no. They didn't want to put in so much energy because they have a crucial game. Nyankopon ya doma echina echi ya Sunday. Intine wo say omo hwese omo puti omo exert so much energy in the second half Kotoko relax ya no protect the goal unyaye in the first half. Nkomo ye say nkomo be all out obviously give it by 2-0 but omo decided say they are putting breaks and having a rest for the next game. And the Kotoko qualified to the round of 16 MTN FA Cup 2025-2026 Blockman.